Hello guys, today we will install the Yoroi wallet for Windows 10. Let's head straight to the Yoroi homepage. Exactly, here we have the Yoroi-Wallet wallet for Cardano. That looks good. Here we download the wallet for the browser we are using, because the Yoroi-Wallet is a browser extension, so we're using the Chrome browser. We're adding the wallet, we're adding the extension. We want to add the extension. It's getting added to Chrome. So every time we want to use Yoroi, we just click here. Language English. Yoroi will never track your behavior, never create profiles with your information, never sell your data, and never run analytics software or third-party trackers. You can read the terms of agreement. You can either install the simple version or the advanced version. Like there you can see the differences. It's just the most simplest version you can use for easy understanding, and that's, I guess, for advanced users. We're gonna choose the one for advanced users. You can decide for yourself if you need it, but do you want to enable Cardano payment URLs? These allow you to easily share invoices with friends and businesses by simply clicking an URL. It's like if you want to make invoices, that's preferable. If you skip it now, you can always add it later on, so we are gonna allow it. You can skip it. Yeah, we allow it. Exactly, and now we finish it. Easy. So there are 3 options available, or 4 options. The first one is to connect a hardware wallet. If you already got one, you can create a new wallet, restore an already existing wallet, or transfer funds from a Daedalus wallet to Yoroi. In this tutorial we are creating a new wallet, but either one of those options is pretty straightforward, so yeah. Currently Yoroi only has ADA, like Cardano, but in the future there might be other cryptocurrencies. We're creating a wallet, not a paper wallet. A paper wallet would be, as the name implies, a paper wallet. But we want a software wallet. So okay, now we have a spending password. The spending password is the password you have to enter as soon as you wanna make a transfer with your ADA. Now we will get 15 random words. Those words are important. For example, if you want to install your Yoroi wallet on another PC, then you can use those 15 words to recover your wallet. and you only need those 15 words. The spending password we assigned before is not needed when restoring your wallet. Now I just writing down the words, and when you see this, I'll probably have it blurred so you don't see it. Just so you know. I don't know how much you hear from me typing in my keyboard, but it could be a bit of ASMR. So after writing down your recovery phrase, yeah, you get the words now like a puzzle. Yeah, not a puzzle, but you get the words in form of tags, and you have to enter them in the right order. Doing that okay, done. Then we have to check two boxes. I understand that my secret keys are held secure in this device only and not on the company servers. It's pretty straightforward. I understand that if this application is moved to another device or deleted, my money can only be recovered with the backup phrase that I have written down and saved in a secure place. Yup, I understand that. And now here we are in our Yoroi wallet. So let's let it load. Okay, pretty straightforward. The transaction tab. Here you see the date and time of the transaction type. If you either send something or you receive something. The status is if the transaction is already fulfilled, because if you make a transaction, the transaction needs to be, I guess you could say, accepted, and you have a fee for each transaction you make. You have to pay a fee. It's really minimal, but you do have to pay one, and that's the amount. And back to the status, to clarify it more, we are writing on a blockchain, so when we make a transaction, it has to be confirmed on the blockchain. If everything is done and the transaction is legitimate, the status gets cleared and you know the transaction is done. So we have the send tab, also pretty straightforward. Here you have a receiver. You enter the you enter the receive address from your recipient. You type in the amount of ADA, like for example, if we want to send 10 ADA, or you can send all the ADA. And here you see the type of fees you would need to pay if you would send it to someone. Yeah. Next up, we have the receive tab. If you want to receive ADA, then here's your wallet address. You just copy it here and you got it. That's the type of address you need to give to people if you want for them to send you some money. Yeah, you can always create a new address, like generate new address. Now that's the new address. but the old one's always active. It's not that one address is invalid. No, you can still use both of them. Here we have a dashboard, also pretty straightforward. We're currently in the 213th epoch. Like, there's still 1 day and 2 hours left until we are in the 214th epoch. Delegation list. There are stake pools you can delegate to. And FYI, I'm going to make a video on how to choose the optimal stake pool. And yeah, if you want to delegate to a stake pool, you just type in the name of the stake pool, or you choose one here. But because I have a stake pool on my own, I'm obviously gonna promote that one. Like, if you want to support me, you can delegate here. And yeah, here you can just type in the stake pool ID. That's my stake pool ID. That's exactly as my homepage. I also link it down in the description. And just give me a second. Yeah, I wanted to copy my delegation ID to my stake pool ID to show you how you can search with a stake pool ID, but it's pretty straightforward. You have here a stake pool, you just insert the ID and you get the stake pool. Yeah. And is there still anything left? Here we have the settings. You can just play around. It's pretty straightforward. And if you got any questions, you can just write them in the comment section. Thank you, and yeah, hopefully you will come again to the next video. Bye.